Hello, welcome back to another video. And today I just want to show a really quick tip. We have a project and we're showing the floor plan. In the floor plan, we want to show the overhang in the floor plan. And here's a really quick way of doing that that actually creates a bit of automation. So as you change the roof outline, it will modify that footprint or that kind of roof overhang line with it. And so let me switch my screen here. And so here we're looking at a boathouse project we're working on, and I actually just moved this wall by 2 feet, and we have a 4-foot overhang here, and as you can see, this line right here didn't go with it. And so this line here is actually just drawn as a medium dash line. And so the tip is, with the underlay tool, we can actually change the line work of our lines above, and we'll maybe look up here. I guess our base level would be level 1, look up, yeah. And so you can see here we have this roof overhang that is above us, and a lot of our lines here do match it, but let's go ahead and delete these lines here. And with this roof overhang, we're going to use this override line work button here, and we can change this line work, and you can see we have a lot of different line types already predefined. I'm going to pick my thin dashed here, and we can now click all of our lines, and I'm actually going to fix this little jog there, so I'm just going to intentionally not click that line, but you can see all these are now matching our wall type. And so once we're done, we can actually turn off the underlay, and I'm going to go in here and I'm actually going to fix that little roof jog. And so I'm going to edit this, and we're just going to remove this little piece and trim this roof over. And you can see that in our floor plan, it actually did disappear. Oh, there we go. It did fix and continue that line over. And so really here's the magic though. If I were to move this wall, let's just say 4 feet to the right, it'll automatically take that overhang line with it. So just another little quick tip on how to improve your efficiency within software like Revit, and how to really make it do a lot of the work for you. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned to more videos.